Kanitha-inĩ wa ACK Marsabit nĩ kuomitha ya kugira uhoro Gathoni Wanjiru Denge irathaganĩtio. Ari mutumia wa mutwarithia wa ndege wa Dr.SK Macharia muikarĩri wa kambuni ino ya Royal Media Services na munini wake Gathoni Macharia Captain Ndege. Andũ a nyũmba yake makĩmũririkana ta mutumia mwĩrutĩri wĩra na mwendi andũ ũrĩa watiga ithenya inene kũrĩ nyũmba yake.
We have actually come here not to mourn. We have come here to celebrate the life of Gathoni. Gathoni has been my dear wife for 8 years. Bishop mentioned that my mother, who is about 100 years old, that she stayed with her husband for 40 years.
In the day when the keepers of the house tremble, and the strong men bow down, when the grinders kill because they are few.
We must all appear before the judgment seat of Christ, that each one may receive the things done in the body according to what he has done.
Captain Ndege koretwo kiruta wira kambuni ya Royal Media Services kaida-ini ka makiria miaka 8.
Kano is like our son. Kano joined us about 6 years ago, and as the Macharias, we know Kano, you are a good person. You are a good father. You are a good husband. Because you don't need to tell us. We can see the way you treat everybody.
Itemiri yake inene nyũmba-inĩ ya Dr.SK Macharia harĩ gũkinyũkithia ikinya gwa ikinya ciana igĩrĩ Githendio Macharia na Gĩcia Macharia. Umwe wao Githendio Macharia gĩcũngĩrĩria kwĩruta wĩra wa ũtwarithia wa ndege nginyagia gĩkĩro kĩa ũrutani wa ũtwarithia wa ndege bũrũri-inĩ wa Amerika.
I can only continue being there for you, just like you've been there for me the last 6 years. I can only say thank you and all the what has happened.
That's all I can say. But you've been there for me and my family all these years, and we'll be there for you and we'll continue being there for you for the
na arigitio kuri mutigaire arugamiriri a kambuni ino makĩrana Uteithio wa shilingi milioni 1 kũgacĩria kanitha wa ACK Marsabit.
Kano, we are going to donate 1 million shillings to put seats at the back of this church. In memory of Catherine.
I want to, in a special way, thank the Macharia family for being mindful of the gaps in this church. This is not the first time that your family has contributed to the ministry of the church. I remember the Harambe at All Saints Cathedral, and Brother Paul still brought a very huge amount of money from the Macharia family.
Arata kuma kambuni ino ya Royal Media Services na andũ a nyũmba makĩrana kũrũgama na family ino hĩndĩ ino ya maithori.
A few years before I was not born again, I didn't understand how people can say God is good even when things are looking a bit dark. But now I know God is always in control. Mama, Kano, you can see your mom has lived 100 years. You don't know why, but God knows.
Kano Denge tumefanya kazi na yeye miaka kama zaidi ya kama 8 hivi, na amekuwa kama baba wetu. Amekuwa yeye ametufundisha kila kitu, yeye ndiye ametulea na yeye ndiye ametutunza. Yeye amekuwa ni baba mzuri.
Asante Kano, pole sana. Mungu atakuwezesha, and you soldier on. You are a soldier and always a soldier. Thank you.
Catherine Wanjiru arathikirwo kuringana na unduire wa ruriri rwa Borana. Kuringana na unduire uyu ithandũkũ rĩake rĩkĩamba kũhumbĩrwo na mbaũ ici na ndoro ĩrĩa ĩrathondeketwo kũigĩrĩrwo igũrũ rĩa mbaũ icio mbere ya gũthikwo. Catherine Wanjiru arathikirwo kuringana na unduire wa ruriri rwa Borana. Catherine Wanjiru atiga ciana igĩrĩ, umwe wao arĩ Ivy Galgalo na ũrĩa ũrutaga wĩra kambuni-inĩ ĩno ya Royal Media Services. Girifotera Inooro TV ritwa Gathoni Macharia wa Gachuru.